Hey guys, Brandon Coulter here at the 13 booth at ICAST 2019. We've got two really cool offerings from 13 Fishing soft plastic line. The cool thing about these two is they're super high floating plastic. So start with a blunt force. It's ideal rigged with a shaky head. It's got a flat head that you can rig real easy. Nice wide spot, go ahead and rig your hook. Again, it's got the telltale places you can run your bait through so you know which hole to come out of. But again, super high float, runs good on a shaky head. Then you got old Big Squirm here. And the key to Big Squirm is this. Again, super high float, but the biggest key to this, I think, is it's got an integrated keel. I guess it's a keel, I don't know what flange, I guess is what they'll call it. But it's got a flange on the tail. What that's gonna do is catch water. So no matter if you're moving it super slow or it's just sitting there, that flange is gonna catch water and it's gonna move the tail, it's gonna get you more bites. High float plastics from 13 Fishing. Got the blunt force, the Big Squirm, available at Tackle Warehouse for pre-order now.